Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate truffles at home. First, gather your ingredients. 8 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, 1 cup of heavy cream, and some cocoa powder for coating. Begin by heating the heavy cream in a saucepan over medium heat until it just starts to simmer. Then, pour this hot cream directly over your finely chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Allow the chocolate and cream mixture to sit for about 5 minutes, giving the chocolate time to fully melt. After 5 minutes, gently stir the mixture until it transforms into a smooth, luxurious ganache. Once it's perfectly smooth, cover the bowl and place it in the refrigerator. You'll want to chill this ganache for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to handle easily. Now for the fun part, shaping your truffles. Use a small scoop, about 1 inch in diameter, to portion out the chilled ganache. Quickly roll each portion between your palms to create a smooth, round ball. Next, prepare your coating station. Pour a good amount of cocoa powder into a shallow dish, ensuring it's ready for the truffles. Carefully drop each shaped truffle into the cocoa powder. Roll it around until it's completely covered, ensuring a beautiful, rich finish. Once coated, gently shake off any extra cocoa powder. Your delicious homemade chocolate truffles are now ready. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your decadent treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.